Dialogue 1. A flexible boss.
Hi, Nancy. Can we talk?
Sure, Bill. What's up?
I need a favor from you.
Okay, what is it?
Can you cover for me tomorrow morning?
Cover for you? Why?
I want to talk to Emma.
Talk to Emma? About what?
About my work schedule.
Your work schedule? What's wrong with it?
Nothing's wrong. I just need to change it.
Change it? How?
I want to start an hour later.
An hour later? Why?
Because my wife is going back to work.
Oh, I see. And you need to stay home until your son leaves for school?
Exactly. You understand, right?
Of course, I do. I'm happy for Sheila.
Thank you, Nancy. You're very kind.
No problem, Bill. I'll cover for you tomorrow morning.
Thanks a lot, Nancy. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Bill. I'm sure Emma will agree to your request.
You think so?
Yes, I do. She's also a single mom. She knows how hard it is to balance work and family.
That's true. She's a flexible boss.
She is. Good luck with your talk, Bill.
Thanks again, Nancy. You're a great friend.
Dialogue 2. A flexible schedule.
Hi, Emma. Can we talk?
Sure. What's up, Bill?
I have a problem.
What kind of problem?
It's about my son.
Is he okay?
He's fine, but he needs to go to school by 8 a.m.
And that's a problem because
Because I start work at 8 a.m. too.
I see. So you want to change your schedule?
Yes, I do. Can I start work at 9 a.m. instead?
9 a.m. That's too late for our company.
I know, but I have no choice. I'm a single dad.
I understand, Bill. I'm a single parent too.
Really? You are?
Yes, I am. I know how hard it is.
So you can help me out?
Well, I can try. I'll talk to the other managers and see what they say.
Thank you, Emma. You're very kind.
You're welcome, Bill. You're a good worker.
Thanks again, Emma. I appreciate it.
No problem, Bill. Let me know if you need anything else.
Dialogue 3. After sales service.
Hi, I want to buy this computer.
Sure, it's a great choice.
Who do I call if I need help?
You can call the store. We offer after-sales service.
What is after sales service?
It's a service that helps you with your new product.
How does it help me?
It can answer your questions, solve your problems, and give you tips.
Is there an extra charge for this service?
No, the service is free and available anytime.
That sounds good. How do I access it?
You just need to dial the number on your receipt.
And someone will answer me?
Yes, we have a team of experts ready to assist you.
That's very reassuring. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new computer.
Dialogue 4. A slow laptop.
Hello, I bought this laptop last week.
Yes, how can I help you?
The laptop is very slow.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Can you fix it for me?
Sure, I can try.
What do I need to do?
Please bring the laptop to the store.
When can I do that?
Anytime during our opening hours.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you too.
I'll bring it after work.
Okay, see you then.
Thanks for the great service.
Supporting customers is important.
I'll be back for other products.
Thank you, have a nice day.
Dialogue 5. The raise request.
Hi Nancy, how are you?
I'm good, John. And you?
I'm nervous, Nancy.
Why are you nervous?
I have a meeting with my boss.
What is the meeting about?
I'm going to ask for a raise.
A raise? But we just got raises last month.
I know, but I want a bigger raise.
Why do you want a bigger raise?
I have my reasons, Nancy.
What are your reasons?
I don't want to tell you.
Why not? I'm your friend.
It's personal. Trust me.
Okay. I trust you.
Thank you, Nancy. You're a good friend.
You're welcome. Good luck with your boss.
Thanks. I'll need it.
You're welcome. Bye for now.
See you later. Bye.
Dialogue 6. Negotiating a raise.
Hi Jim, how are you?
I'm good, John. What's up?
I have a meeting with the boss at noon.
Oh, really? What for?
I'm going to ask for a raise.
A raise? Good luck with that.
What do you mean?
The boss is not easy to negotiate with.
I know, but I deserve a raise.
How long have you worked here?
2 years without a raise.
That's tough, John. I feel you.
So, do you have any tips for me?
Well, talk fast. The boss is impatient.
Okay, I'll do that. Anything else?
Be confident and assertive. Don't back down.
Got it. Thanks, Jim. You're awesome.
No problem, John. You're welcome.
I'll let you know what happens.
Please do. I'm rooting for you.
Dialogue 7. Buying a sofa with a discount.
Hello, I like this sofa.
It's a nice one.
How much is it?
It's $500.
That's reasonable.
Yes, it is.
But wait, what's this?
What do you see?
There's a small tear here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you fix it?
No, we can't.
Then what can you do?
We can offer you a discount.
How much of a discount?
30% off the price.
Dialogue 8. A bargain deal.
Hello, I like this TV.
It's a great choice.
Is the price flexible?
Sorry, it's fixed.
What about this website?
Let me see that.
It's much cheaper there.
That's a good deal.
Can you match it?
Well, I suppose so.
Really? That's awesome.
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
I'll take it now.
Sure, follow me.
Dialogue 9. Negotiating delivery fee.
Hello, I need office supplies.
Sure, what do you need?
I need 100 pens, 50 notebooks, and 20 staplers.
Okay, that will be $500.
How much is delivery?
Delivery is 5% of order.
That's too high. Can you lower it?
I'm sorry, that's our policy.
Can you talk to your manager?
I can try. Please hold on.
Okay, thank you. I'll wait.
Hello, I'm back. I talked to my manager.
And? What did he say?
He said he can offer you 3% delivery.
That's better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do we have a deal?
Yes, we do. I'll buy from you.
Great. Thank you for choosing us.
Dialogue 10. Renegotiating term.
Hi, I want to order office supplies again.
Hello, welcome back. What do you need?
I need 200 pens, 100 notebooks, and 40 staplers.
All right, that will be $1,000.
How much is delivery?
Delivery is still 3% of order.
That's too high. Can you waive it?
I'm sorry, we can't do that.
Why not? I'm a loyal customer.
I appreciate your business, but we have costs.
Can you give me a discount then?
I can offer you 10% off your order.
That's not enough. I want free delivery.
I'll have to talk to my manager about that.
Please do. I'm not happy with this.
I understand. I'll call you back soon.
Okay, thank you. I hope you can help.